Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn a subtractive pipe feature in FreeCAD. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here. If you like my method of teaching, then please support me on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I will provide my website and my Ko-fi donation page link in a video descriptions. So let's come back to our tutorial. So here I have activated the part design, and now I will create a new file and I insert a new body. I on my origin plane and select this exit plane and create a sketch, and here I will create a rectangle. I will give the dimension. Let's give a horizontal dimension of 400 and vertical dimension 800, and now we will make it symmetric. So this is symmetric and it is fully constrained. Now I move the dimension, I close the sketch, I off the origin plane, and now I will select my sketch and click on extrude, and let's extrude to the 500 mm or 800 mm. Say reverse direction and say OK. Now we will see our sketch. So this is the sketch, or best thing we can do, we will keep it symmetric to the plane and say OK. Now we will select the front face and create a sketch, and on the bottom side here I will create a square. Let's give the dimension. Let's give horizontal dimension of 150 and vertical dimension also 150. Let's move the dimension, and now I will select these 2 points and give the horizontal dimension of 75. Move, and now let's give vertical dimension. Let's see, give 175, and let's move the dimensions. Now I will close my sketch. So on this face we have created one square, and on the other face we will create a circle. Let's switch to the isometric. Rotate it, and on this face I will select a circle, and give it a vertical relation, and now I will give the vertical dimension of 250, and let's give the diameter of 150 and close it. Let's make this diameter little bit bigger, so let's make it 250, 220. Okay, now we will on our plane and select this mid plane, and we will create our guided curve. So I will select on sketch, and from here I will switch to the wireframe view, and I will rotate my model, and I will click on this project geometry. I will project this edge, and I will project this circle, and now I will select a 3-point arc, and I will create an arc. So this arc is very approximate. Now I will close it. I will off the origin plane. So here we have two profile. One is a circle, other one is a square, and we have a guided curve. So here we are going to learn the subtractive pipe features. This subtractive pipe feature is very similar to the additive pipes. The only difference is that additive pipe is used to add the material. When you use the additive pipe, material get added, and when you use subtractive pipe, material get removed. If you want to remove the material which has the two cross sections, then you must use the subtractive pipe features. Now let's click on the subtractive pipe features. So here it will show you the all valid sketches. So if I click on the sketch 1, then it will highlighted here. So basically here FreeCAD providing you the options to select the features. So your first feature, base feature. So my base feature will be this square, and I will create OK. And now here swept along means I have to provide the path. To click on select object and click on this arc. So you can see that it has been removing the material of profile of this square along this arc, but we have the second profile. So come here in a selection transformation. So it is a constant because it is removing with respect to this square along this arc. So we will click on the multi sections and then click on add sections. So we will add our second section, which will be this circle. So you can see that now material is removed with respect to this guided curve from this square, starting from this square and ending to this circle. So we will click on OK, and we will switch to the flat lines. Now I will off my pad, and subtractive feature is my ending feature. So you can see that material has been removed. Now I will show you by taking the section. So I will move to the view and click on this persistent section cut, and here I will select the, let's say, y-axis, not y, it is from the x, and click on here flip. So you can see that sections of a material removed portion. I click on close. I will hide this body. So you can see that it is perfectly removing the material from square to this circle along with our arc. So this is how to use the subtractive pipe feature in FreeCAD. So this is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.